Jack and Ron here with Dutton Auctions. Hey, we're down at the Sawmill, down in just down in Caddis.
Yep,
here with the seller Jason. Jason, Ron, got a couple of things maybe you want to explain to the people out here who maybe have interest in a sawmill.
Yeah. So, Jason, here's what I want to just kind of go over the main features that you have on this mill, some of the upgrades that you did, and the number one upgrade is the sawmill runs great. He just upgraded to a bigger mill.
Yep.
And so this mill is ready to go to work and do a good job for somebody. So take it over here and kind of give us a little insight on this mill.
So this is Woodmizer's dual rail system. It's the biggest Woodmizer dual rail system that they make in portable sawmills. This one's got the hydraulic log chain turner, the hydraulic log loader, everything's hydraulic on it. Comes with 38 horsepower Kohler motor. The max width of cut is 34.5 inches. It'll do a 20-foot, 2-inch length of log. The hydraulic log loader will pick up over 4,500 pound log. This mill also has the hydraulic toe boards on it as well. The upgrades that I've done to it is because at the time I didn't have a building with lights underneath it, so I put LED work lights all the way around it. I got a 3-foot LED light bar on the front, 2 different 2 inches on the back.
You mean you worked at night?
Yeah, more than once. And I got rid of the magnetic strip to run the hydraulics to transfer the power from the motor all the way to the bed. I ran 2-aught welding wire all the way through the carriage. So now, with where the head's sitting now, you shouldn't be able to run hydraulics, but I can. I can run all the hydraulics, so it's got full range hydraulics like the LT70 does. So the head doesn't have to be all the way at the back to run the hydraulics.
I understand.
So that's a great feature that you put on this that only this unit has.
Only this unit has it.
So
I actually got the build plans from a Woodmizer dealer on what wire I needed to use, how I needed to run it, and how I needed to hook it up.
right, and it shows right here how many hours you got on the mill.
665.7.
There you go. So it's not even broke in yet.
No, it's not. It's just the only reason I'm selling it is because my new LT70 showed up months early.
Right. He ordered one. They said a 2-year wait. He ordered one and showed up a little bit early. So
7 months after I ordered it, it showed up.
So now he's got 2 mills, and he don't need 2. He can only operate 1. So
Only one at a time.
So we're gonna get rid of the smaller one here.
And this one also comes with the 4 drop-down drag back bars with what I call the chandelier, which are these, and it keeps the boards from kicking side to side as you're dragging it back.
There it is, guys. So I guess let's get some lumber and let's get moving, huh?
Yes, sir.
So here we can say that one thing's for sure: the unit is in really good shape, and the unit is ready to go to work. And we just need to find that great buyer that needs this unit. So let's.
I love the opportunity. It's going to be great. Any questions, give us a call, 330-879, yeah, just give us a call or check our website, DuttonAuctions.com. Thanks.
Put the straight wire in on this. I can run the hydraulics.